Kamabuhay once again. Welcome to my vlog, my channel. Sharing you again my day in Davao City on a day of Thursday. This is the life of the retired teacher. We are going to People's Park, moving our touchdown to the latest tourist attraction here in Davao City, which is the museum, the Davao Museum, Korean inspired. Very excited to be there this morning to get inside the museum. For those who are not informed yet, this museum in Davao is already open for public, and the good news is there is no entrance fee. Yes, you have heard it right. Free entrance. This is also my first time to be there in Davao Museum, but the People's Park, I've been there many times already. As a world history teacher, really I'm so enthusiastic, I'm so eager to be there. Super exciting for another learning of Philippine history, not only of Davao history but Philippine history. So we are riding the BOJ now, this jeep. We started our ride from Makina Crossing, and we are now here on Davao Street. I would like to invite your eyes on how clean, how safe is Davao. Look at our roadway. So, see this city, cleanest is Davao. Life is here. Davaoenos are known as disciplined and advocates of cleanliness. Look at the roadway, the street. So we cannot find any scattered garbages here. So everything is clean. So I really enjoyed my Davao life. Share you my downtown tour for today. Davao Global Township. So this morning the traffic is moving. There's no heavy traffic, so our jeep can easily pass through. We will just be forced to stop if ever there is traffic light. It will signal us to stop, or if ever there are passengers who are going up and going down the jeep. Approximately mga pila kami minutes pa ka-reach. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. 10 minutes pa. Okay, according to my pilot now, jeepney pilot here, approximately our arrival in People's Park will be 10 minutes or more. So this is Turin na jeep from Turin. Turin ito, Turin na jeep. So this is our wonderful life is here. Okay, we stop for traffic light. Then it's so good that only a minute we start moving again. Join me in my double tour, and over there is an R. You see how disciplined people in Davao, the drivers, whenever there is a pedestrian line, they will respect that one and allow the pedestrian to cross. The SNR, and near the SNR is the NCCC New City Commercial Center, MAA, soon to rise, I think, this December, and it will be having a grand opening. Soon is the one on my left side, New City Commercial Center. I used to go there before it was on fire. It's almost done, the new building in NCCC MAA. Please watch my separate vlogs on that later, if there will be already the grand opening. NCCC. I love NCCC so much. Capture episodes in a distance of NCCC. Almost done. Almost ready for the grand opening. By this time, another traffic light. So the vehicles are again on stopping motion. Stop. We are moving on. It's good that it's only for a few minutes. The NCCC, see you soon, later this December. Be out of my job and enjoy life by this time, enjoying the fruits of my labor here in Davao. Davao is also known as the Dorian City, the land of the eagles, and the land of discipline, the land of people having political will. Ateneo. Ateneo School.